Hi everyone, Kat from Garden Grow. Today I'm just doing a quick video on sweet potatoes and how you can actually get slips off them and to plant them out. So the first photo I'm actually showing you is actually a sweet potato I found in the back of my cupboard only a few weeks ago, and I left it to grow a few more slips, and this is what it looks like today. In the next photo here, you'll be able to actually see that if you actually grab right down to the base of the slip that is the closest to the sweet potato, if you twist that gently, the slip will actually come out easily from the sweet potato. And then you can actually put it into a glass of water so it can grow its new roots so you can plant it. In the next photos here, I'm just going to show you, if you just get a glass of water, it doesn't have to be full. You can just grab that slip that you've taken off the sweet potato, or you can actually take quite a few off the sweet potato if they're ready. Just gently take them off and then put them into the glass of water, and you'll see in the photos I've added quite a few into that glass. So within the next 3 to 4 days, it will actually have roots on the bottom of the actual slips from the sweet potato, and once it does start having the roots, you can plant it back out straight into your garden and off it will grow to make its own sweet potatoes again. The last few photos are actually of a sweet potato cutting from one of my plants that I took cuttings from outside about 4 days ago. So in these two photos that I will show you, you will be able to see the roots already growing on the slips, and then in the next 2 or 3 days, as they get longer, I will then actually plant them straight out into my garden. So thanks for watching this video everyone, and I hope you will subscribe, like and share my videos on YouTube. Have a good day.